So we're back again with the Westinghouse, all put back together after its light cleaning. Just blew out with the hose, didn't touch the grill yet. As you see on the cord, is in beautiful shape. There's no molding or heating of the pins on the base of the molded plug, which is amazing because most of these units have burn-up plugs that you gotta replace. I decided not to put on the window kit yet. I'm gonna store that in the grill inside the shed because I don't have any more room in the shed, which is really unfortunate because this unit needs to be in the shed. It is in such good shape. It needs to be in the shed. But I gotta clear out some space, gotta get the hand truck. I'll take off the grill, put this on the pallets where the tarps are, or the other units that I got from the air conditioner guy. So anyways, I'm gonna put you down. And we shall plug it in. I hope it's off. Yay, it's off. No need to do smoke test because I know it's going to work. I just flip it up. The plastic hinges on this are starting to break. It's an unfortunate fact. You used to be able to lift this up and just tape it, and now it's just going to flop down. Anyways, so let's kick it on low fin. So there's some stuff blowing around. I think the airflow is slightly better. Actually, these fins are down. I'd say it works pretty good. I still left that thing in there, which I think is really severely affecting the airflow on the back of the evaporator. But this is a 3-layer thick coil, so it's a little hard for the air to get through. Whereas this is only 2-layer thick on the back. And as you can hear, a lot better airflow. Still a little bit of rust in there, but not bad at all. Anyways, got a plane to go by, and we'll get this on. Pretty quiet. Put you over here where the compressor is. Man, is she nice and quiet. Those Copelands are real good compressors. The compressor isn't all that loud either. And it's pretty well insulated. You have the cabinet and the coil and the fan here. So really, not that bad at all. I'll push this back a little so I can set you on it. There we go. Yeah, the airflow there. There we go. I love these left and right air vectors. These things work so good. Right, straight. Yeah, they're pretty hard to see. These little tabs, but they work really well. Keep them straight now. And it's up and down the seat too. This is probably one that this is a really good grill for directing air. But even I think the airflow is definitely improved. It's still not even. It's still decent here. Almost nothing here, pretty strong here, and okay here. But, I don't know. This is with the most, it's pointing that way. So I get back to straight again. Straighten them out, and then let's see. Maybe, yeah, still the same. So it's not quite even all the way across, but it feels pretty good. It feels cold. It feels really cold. Yeah, I really like this. It's a good unit. It's very good price of $30. I paid for it. As you hear, it's pretty quiet. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like these. I was looking for one for a while. Westinghouse. I was looking with one where it had the other grill, or I think they had made more with style where the dials were in the middle, up here higher, and you could see them. But I also like this grill too. It's a good looking unit. Yeah, I don't know if I said this or not, but I was hoping this would be a 6K, but even 8K is pretty good too. This is a great bedroom unit. Now, I don't know if I want to use this out in like a living room or, well, I could use it in a bigger bedroom, but it doesn't really have the airflow, you know, to throw the air out into it, you know, like a 12 by 20 size room, you know. Doesn't really have that, but it sounds well. It's medium. A little faster on medium. Still pretty good. Blows great. Blows really cold air. Yeah, it's working good. Nice one up and back. That's fine. Put that to the middle. There we go. Flip up to high. I got some decent airflow. Not bad now, but still doesn't have a high velocity. Just the way the design is. Anyways, yeah, I don't like this video too long, but it's just nice to hear. Feels good too. But anyways, that's my 1969 Westinghouse. It's not a mobile air. It's panel air, maybe? I think that's what these are called. I forget. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. These things are pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. A quick video measuring the size of the unit. So we are 24 inches wide, so 2 foot exactly. It is 16, measure at the lower part of the grill, 17 inches, on the higher part it's like 16 and a half. But from the unit itself, it's 16 inches from front to back. And they are exactly 14 inches tall. Just the unit itself. Now the window kit's going to be a little bit bigger than that, but this will easily fit the windows that I have. It's kind of funny because this is as tall as my 12K immersion coil cool that I got. That's a 14 inch thing, it's 14 inches tall. Anyways, thanks for watching, have a good day. Okay folks, we're back again. With the unit, I had it running for about 5 minutes. It's already producing a good amount of water. And it's not that humid today, it's really nice out actually. I can't really see too good there, but as you can see it's pretty good. Those clean holes work great. I'm on high cool right now. Although, you know, it's so quiet that you can, you know, it's between low, medium, and high don't really matter as far as noise goes. Sounds great though. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you 5 minutes in on a not too humid day and it's already producing good amount of water. Let's start shipping. Me and my little cold down there. Anyways, thank you for watching, have a good day.